Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this replacement 4-inch by 6-inch high beam headlamp for the Optronics Opti-Brite sealed beam to LED kit. Now this will replace one of the high beam headlights that's in your Optronics Opti-Brite headlight conversion kit with this DOT compliant light. Now the conversion kit we do sell separately on our website. It's part number HLL89HB-2. This is for one of the high beam headlamps. Now what's nice about this high beam, this uses rear facing LEDs and a metallic parabolic reflector, which will create a nice broad smooth beam. The high beam of course makes it easier to see at a distance. This does use 8 LEDs, which are super efficient, ultra bright and long lasting. Gives you about 30,000 hours of life, and of course they do have a lifetime warranty on the LEDs. Now at the end of this video I'm going to hook this up to some 12 volt power just to show you how bright the light is, but I first want to go over a few features. This does use the durable SMT technology, which is surface mount technology. This construction is of the LED circuit board. It'll better withstand shock and vibration and allows for nice improved heat distribution. This is an impact resistant polycarbonate lens. Has a nice powder coated die cast aluminum housing which is rust proof. Does meet an IP67 rating for industry standard protection against dust and moisture. And if you notice the plug on this, it does accept the H4 3-blade wiring connector. Now that is not included. This is compatible with 12 volt DC and 24 volt DC systems. As we mentioned, it is DOT, Department of Transportation compliant, meets the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standards 108 and the Canadian Motor Vehicle Safety Standards 108 requirements for automotive lighting. A few specs again, this is for one high beam LED headlight. Power draw at 12.8 volts is 1.8 amps, 1.85 amps, and at 24 volts is 0.85 amps. Give you some dimensions and then we'll hook it up to some power. So the overall width is going to be right at about 6 9/16 inches wide. Overall height is right at about 4 3/16 inches tall. And the total depth on it, about 3 5/16 inches deep. So again, what we're going to do, let me go ahead and hook up our 12 volt power. Once we have that hooked up, go ahead and turn on the 12 volt power. And you can see the LEDs light up. I am going to turn off the overhead lights. And you can see how bright that is. It is the high beam, so it is going to be very bright. And again, it's 8 LEDs. Actually, I'm even going to zoom out just to give you an idea how bright it is. And we'll go ahead and turn back on our overhead lights, turn off our power. But that should do it for the review on this replacement 4-inch by 6-inch high beam headlamp for the Optronics Opti-Brite sealed beam to LED conversion kit.